Hi, welcome to TubRepairStore.com. If you're here, you're probably looking to repair your broken tub. After repairing thousands of broken tubs, we've realized that basically all repairs can be broken down into 3 categories. And so knowing that, we've developed 3 DIY kits that will help you repair your broken tub, whether it's a smaller cosmetic damage or whether it's a large floor crack. So I want to go through those kits with you right now and help guide you on making the best decision for your project. So first, we'll talk about the smallest kit. The Ultimate Chip Repair Kit. That kit is designed to repair small, minor cosmetic repairs. So these are small holes, screw holes. You don't want to repair a hole that's much bigger than a quarter. If it's much bigger than a quarter, or if it's below the water line, you probably want to reinforce that with the large wall repair kit. The Ultimate Chip Repair Kit is designed for large chips in the gel coat, so it still has a firm backing of fiberglass, or possibly the porcelain is chipped off a steel tub or a cast iron tub. The Ultimate Chip Repair Kit is a cosmetic repair kit. It is not a structural repair kit, but it does include our color matching system and our coating system as well. So any damage that is purely cosmetic, chips out of the gel coat, and it can be large chips out of the gel coat, a chip out of the gel coat this big, anything like that, as long as it has a firm backing, you can use the Ultimate Chip Repair Kit for that. The next repair kit is going to be the large wall repair kit. This is going to be designed for holes about the size of a baseball or smaller, or even cracks that go up to about 9 inches long. Now, when I say hole up to the size of a baseball, there is a difference there between a hole and a crack. So a crack that is 9 inches long, that's going to take about the same amount of repair material as a hole that is a baseball size. That's more for large cosmetic repairs on walls that require more of a structural product. So this large wall repair kit is going to include a fiberglass putty that is going to be much stronger than what is just in the Ultimate Chip Repair Kit. So if you have a larger damage on the wall of your tub, that large wall repair kit is going to be what you need. Finally, we have the floor crack repair kit. This is geared more towards weight-bearing repairs. So this is going to include a floor support foam that's going to actually support that crack, and then all the repair material to make the repair. So that's really only for weight-bearing repairs, cracks in the floor. A lot of times we get questions about damage that is right at the bottom of the tub going up the curve. So a couple of examples will be, if you have a crack that's right on that curve, you want to step near that crack and see if when you step near that crack, does the floor, is it soft, and does that crack spread open? If that's the case, you want to go with the floor crack repair kit and support that floor right by the crack, so then you can make the repair to the crack without it opening back up in the future. Now, you may have a hole that's near that curve of the tub, and you want to just test it. So you always just test it by stepping near the tub and seeing if that floor needs support there. Is the damage opening or moving when you step near that? If it is, you probably want to support that floor right there where the damage is. If it's not, and you can just make the repair with the large wall repair kit and the floor is firm, that's good too. So that's basically what we'll probably ask you if you text us pictures, is if you step near the damage, does the damage open up? Does it flex? Does it move? That's how you'll know, okay, I need to support the floor, or no, it doesn't move, I'm good to go. I can just use the large wall repair kit. So feel free to text us pictures. You can find our number on the website, 417-536-7785. You can text us pictures of your damage if you'd like us to take a look and recommend what kit to get. Now, there is also the option to add an extra can of glass putty. So sometimes if you're working with the large wall repair kit or a large floor crack, larger than about 9 inches long or larger than a baseball size hole, you may want to get that extra can of glass putty, so then you can repair something larger than that. So just be aware of that. If you're working on a really large repair, you might shoot us a picture. We can tell you basically about how much glass putty you're going to need. So feel free to text us, call us. We're happy to talk to you about your damage. We just want to save your tub and save you a ton of money. Thanks for choosing TubRepairStore.com, and let us know if we can help.